friends, I'm Jyoti Ikar and today I'm going to talk about the climate change. Let's start. While the world is fighting from the COVID-19 pandemic, crashing economics all over the world, a million dying and thousands losing their jobs also, the most existential threats goes on unchecked. That is climate change. Climate change, it is of paramount importance that we start taking action collectively to save our planet, thereby enhancing the human life worldwide. Our project sheds light on various factors affecting the climate change, their effects, and possible remedies. The aim of this presentation is to make the combined humans society aware of the possible danger so that the appropriate steps are to be taken. What is climate? Climate is a composite or a generally prevailing weather condition of a region, as a temperature, air pressure, humidity, um, precipitation, sunshine, cloudiness, and winds throughout the year, average over a series of year, is known as climate. Then we see the climate is affected by many factors, abiotic factor and biotic factor. In abiotic factor, there are latitude, altitude, or ocean current, topography, solar radiation, evaporation, orbital variation, and volcanic activity also. And in biotic factor, it includes the transpiration, respiration, photosynthesis, and decompositions. Then we go forward to the earth natural greenhouse. It plays an important role in maintaining of earth energy balance. Greenhouse gases needed in atmosphere to regulate the temperature in a sustained life. The greenhouse gases, it includes the water vapor, that is H2O, then CO2, that is carbon dioxide, CH4, methane, N2, that is nitrous oxide, and O3, that is or ozone, which present in ozone layer. Increasing then we see the increasing carbon dioxide in atmosphere. Primary greenhouse gas responsible for the three quarters of emission mainly come from burning organic materials like coal, oil, gas, wood, and soil waste. Due to the deforestation, the forests have a decrease and their ability to absorb a carbon dioxide from the atmosphere has also decreased. Then we see the other greenhouse gases. Other greenhouse gases that are methane and nitrous oxide. In methane, the methane is a main component of a natural gas and it is released from a landfills, natural gas, and petroleum industries and agriculture. Agriculture, that is especially from the digestive system of grazing animals, then produce about a 21 one time more heat than a CO2, and accounts for about 60% of all greenhouse gas emission. Then we go forward to the second one is a nitrous oxide. In nitrous oxide, the agriculture and livestock, including the fertilizers, manure, burning of agriculture residues, along with the burning fuel, are the biggest sources of a nitrous oxide emission, produce 390 times more heat than a CO2. About a 6% of global greenhouse gas emission. Then our next one is water vapor. Water vapor is actually the world's most abundant greenhouse gas, and next one is ozone. That is it technically a greenhouse gas, but it depends on where it is found in the Earth atmosphere. Then then we see the ozone layer depletion. In ozone layer depletion, the ozone layer act as earth natural sunscreen and a black and blocks some of UV radiation that comes from the sun, shielding us from a damaging rays. Since the 1985, it has been observed that the ozone layer is depleting in the stratosphere stratosphere due to the chemical reaction with the chlorine atom and being released by the dissociation of chlorofluorocarbons, particularly in the presence of a sunlight. Then we see the impact of UV radiation. What are the impacts of UV radiation? That are the skin cancer, cataract, ultimate blindness, reduce the overall immune deficiency, and UV radiation may interfere with the photosynthesis, leading to a lower crop yields. That all about the climate change. Thank you.